Want to recover your Snapchat streak? Here are the simple steps that you need to follow. So let's start. First of all, you need to open the Snapchat app. Press the profile icon given at the top left corner of the screen. From here, you need to go to settings in the top right corner of the screen. And then you need to scroll down till you find this option that says I need help under support section. Once you're here, you will see the second option that says I lost my snap streak. Simply press that. This will show you that you can complete the form below so we can review your request. So Snapchat can try to recover your lost snap streak. Alright, and they have also mentioned that you and your friend must both snap each other at least every 24 hours. Alright, so yeah, you have to scroll down and here you will see the form that you have to fill. First of all, you need to enter your Snapchat username without spaces. Alright, then you have to enter your email address that is linked to your Snapchat account if you have linked one. Next, you have to enter your mobile number that is linked to your Snapchat account, and you have to enter your country code as well, and then you have to mention your device, which will include the brand name, the model name, and the model series. Next, you have to enter your friend's username with whom you have created that snap streak that you have now lost. Alright, so you can only enter one username per submission. If you have lost more than one snap streak, you have to submit multiple requests to Snapchat. Alright, then after entering your friend's Snapchat username, you need to mention when did you start having this issue. When did you find that you have lost your snap streak with your friend? You have to mention the date as they have mentioned yesterday or the date format. Alright, after that, there are two optional questions that you need to answer, or you can also skip them, but it is better if you know the answer, you should fill them as well. How long was your snap streak before it expired? So you have to mention the number. Alright, only the numbers. For example, it was 300, then you have to mention 300. That's it, 300. Then did you see the timer icon? So if you were getting the timer icon and after that you have lost it, so you also have to mention yes or no. Alright, and after that you can even describe your issue if you want to explain it in a better way so that they can find a better solution, and after that you just have to press done and submit it. So that's how you can try to recover your snap streak. Follow and subscribe for more.